Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Latwa, and in this video we are going to write a program to illustrate getchar and putchar in C. Both of these two are the unformatted functions. So unformatted input output functions in C. So let us begin with the preprocessor directives hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h header files, and then we'll write void main and curly open brace. Here we are going to declare a variable ch of type char, and then we'll write clr scr function. Now we are going to write printf statement. Here inside this bracket we are going to write enter the character and end the double quotation mark, put semicolon. Here we are going to use this variable ch is equal to. Now we are going to take input function, that is getchar function, which will receive one character at a time, and it is initialized to ch variable. Now we are going to write printf. I want to print the same inputted character onto the monitor using putchar function. So for that, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write entered character is in a double quotation mark, put semicolon, and then we'll use now putchar function, so which is going to print the character which is taken as input. Next we are going to write get ch function and then curly closing brace. Now we are going to execute this program and see the result. So here you can see the output of this program is, so whenever we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter the character. For example, I'm going to enter character as H. Okay, so now it is going to print the next statement, that is entered character is, and it is going to print whatever the value stored in ch which is taken in getchar and initialized to ch variable. So that is h is initialized to ch variable, hence it is going to print h as output. So we are going to execute this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here we are in Turbo C++ integrated development environment, and now we are going to write a single line comment. That is purpose of this program by writing double forward slash. Write a program to illustrate getchar and putchar in C. Now preprocessor directives hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h, then I'll write void main curly open brace. I'm going to declare a variable called ch of type character, put semicolon. clr scr is a clear screen function which clears off the previous output. Next we'll write printf statement so that the end user must be able to input some value. So here in this case we are going to ask the user to enter the character. So character means it is any single letter, special symbol or digit which is enclosed within a single pair of quotation mark is called character constant. Now with the help of the same variable ch, it is being assigned with the value received by the getchar function from the user through keyboard. So whatever the getchar receives initializes to ch variable of type character. Now put semicolon, and we are going to print the same character as it is onto the console. Here I'm going to write entered character is. So whatever the character that we have typed, so same will be printed over here. For that, what I'm going to do here is we are going to write put char function. So in a put char function, we are going to pass ch as an argument. Next, get ch is a function that receives some input from the user. So till then, the output will be intact. Now we are going to save this particular file by pressing F2. Here we have to save the file with .c extension. So we have to remove this default name up to bin, and now I'm going to write here, for example, putchar.c, and I'm going to press enter. So now it is saved. We are going to compile this program to check for syntax error. I'm going to press Alt F9. So now it is showing, you can see it is showing success. Means there is no syntax error at all. Now I'm going to run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here you can see it is asking enter the character. For example, I'm going to enter capital H and I'll press enter. You can see entered character is H, it is printing. I hope you understood this program. If not, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.